Ben Margetson yn codi honna I ganol Cwrt Cosby. Amwn ar peniad! Ac Amwn yn rhoi Pontypridd ar y blaen. Dutton yn dod amdani ac yn cam ddarllen hediad y bel. Mi sgoriodd Ben Amwn hat-trick yn erbyn Airbus yn gyrharach yn y tymor. Ac mae o rwan wedi cael un arall yn erbyn nhw. Clayton Green ar bas ymlaen. Mae dros Wilson I Amwn. Amwn drwyddo I mewn i'r Cwrt Cosby ac Amwn yn taro honna. Heibio I bostyn pella Lewis Dutton ar ei droed chwith. Cyfle arall I Pontypridd wedi fethu. Bel yn amlaen I Amwn, sydd ddim yn cam sefyll. Amwn rownd y golwr Dutton. Ac Amwn wedi rhoi I heibio'r bostyn arall. Llai na munud ar ôl methu cyfle tebyg. Mae Amwn yn rhoi I heibio I bostyn pella Lewis Dutton ar yr ochr arall y tro yma. Jared Wright. Yn ôl I Kieran Lewis. Lewis yn ei chodi hi i'r postyn pella. Margetson yn troi ac yn ergydio ac yn canfod cefn o rwyd. A Ben Margetson yn sgorio I gol gyntaf fo I Pontypridd. A Margetson yn troi'n dda yn y Cwrt Cosby ac yn dangos I ymysodwyr Pontypridd sut I orffen y cyfleoedd yna. Sam Rickett. A Sam Rickett yn gweld y bas yna'n cael ei rhyngipio gan Kieran Lewis. Digon o le gan Owain Jones I lawr o dde I Pontypridd. Owain Jones I mewn i'r Cwrt Cosby. Ac yn ei gosod hi I Ben Amwn. Amwn ar ei droed chwith ac am arbediad gan Lewis Dutton. Ac ergyd Amwn yn ei ddigon nerthol, ond yr ychdar yn gyfforddus I Dutton. Tom Davies I Pontypridd ar y bel unwaith eto. Jack Caradogan yn ei rhoi hi nôl I Davies. Davies yn croesi, Amwn yn y canol! Ac Amwn yn sgorio I ail o'r prynhawn. Trydydd I Pontypridd. A doedd o ddim am gael cyfle llawer haws na hwnna. Crowther. Sean Wilson. Pwysa da gan Pontypridd yma'n hyn. Ar linell amddiffynol. Airbus, a maen nhw wedi ildio meddiant. Mae yn y canol I Danny Williams yn ôl at Ben Amwn. Ac am arbediad oedd hi ar y linell gan Jamie Crowther. Disgyn I Corey Jenkins nath hi. Dim Amwn, mi oedd hwnna yn arbediad campus gan Jamie Crowther. Tom Davies allan at Danny Williams. Curtis Rees, lle iddo fo, groesi i'r postyn pella na. Harrison Bright ar peniad, Ben Amwn ar peniad, ac mae'n hat-trick I Ben Amwn. Pedair I Pontypridd, ac am yr eildro'r tymor yma, mae Ben Amwn yn sgorio tair gol yn erbyn Airbus.
Yeah, I thought it was a very professional performance by us today. I thought we played in the areas I wanted us to play in. I thought we defended well as a group. On a different day, yeah, I could ask for more in terms of chances taken, but no, 4-0 to start phase 2 was a good start.
Yeah, it took a bit of time for you to get the goals, but they came in the end.
Yeah, I think the key thing for us is don't get frustrated and continue to do what we're asking the group to do, and I thought the boys done that today.
Ben Amwn, another hat-trick against Airbus. He seemed to be a man on a mission today.
I think Airbus must think he's Pele. He scores the goals for fun against Airbus. But no, listen, Ben has got so much quality. I mean, it's just trying to get that out of him every week now, because if he can obviously continue to get in those positions and take his chances, then he's going to be a massive difference for us.
We make it too easy for teams to score against us. We don't get those opportunities. People don't don't offer us the same mistakes. And the odd chance that we do, we don't capitalise on it. But I think the performance was simply not good enough today.
Yeah, good job. Took me long enough. Missed a few chances in the first half, but yeah, kept going and got some goals.
How pleased are you with a comprehensive win to start that second phase of the season?
Yeah, that's exactly how I wanted to start. Sort of result. Good performance as well. Good shift from the lads. So yeah, obviously Erbyn now next Saturday.
How important was it for you to put down that marker today?
We had to win today. I think it was, everyone knows that, we had to win. And obviously the way we've gone and done it is a great start to phase 2, yeah. Obviously you have to start well, especially next week, like you say, Erbyn. They're all big games now, obviously all cup finals, so we just continue like that.